Let's take a drive out to the garden property. Hi, I'm Shawnee and I am completely addicted to gardening. So out at the garden property, I have different food forest islands. I have different fruit guilds, however you want to call it, permaculture stuff. There's one on the east, there's one on the west, and now there is a new one over on the north. I just planted this over the weekend, so this is a fun little sneak peek of all the perennials that we're sticking in here. The watermelon patch is going in the flower bed. Can we mix these two together? Let's find out. We also have a pollinator area or a rain garden. We want to help our beneficial insects, of course. We have a new garden being built. This is the memorial garden to honor my mother and my great-grandmother and any future ancestors. Can you tell that I like to buy plants? Here is a new space this year, fava beans and potatoes. On my YouTube channel, Shawnee Grows, we do monthly garden tours. We also have 3 children that we homeschool. We have a gardening curriculum that we're trying out. We have all kinds of different experiments, and we're trying to grow enough crops to feed 6 people. I like to have pop-up live streams where we get into different topics. I love research. I love deep diving into things. I don't know it all. I just like to try new things, and I like to have conversations about gardening. Here is one of our annual crop spaces. As you can see, there is a secret project happening. Place your bets. What do you think's going on? Some of you already know. This is an example of the layers that I do for gardening. I grow many things in the same space together because we understand what their roots are. I'm also harvesting and record keeping. I'm tracking. I am trying to nail down varieties and timing. We want to be smarter, not harder. I have 150 days of frost-free growing. So it's all about our timing and having our things together. We are trying different types of mulches, cover crop experiments. I also do something called landrace. So I have landrace cucumbers that I've been seed saving for a year. I have landrace watermelons. I'm doing it with some squash and pumpkins as well. We are focusing on micronutrients this year with our fertilizing. Thank you for visiting the garden property today. Make sure you subscribe to Shawnee Grows.